This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for August 29th, 2023. It's currently June 26th, 2023, 9:28 p.m. Eastern Time, and the shuffle file we're about to play for the 29th was created on June 16th, 2023 at 11:49 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a near overbought peak or crest that we sell off from. This is a very similar energy to what we had the preceding day. This is a more overbought kind of peak or crest, but this is a near overbought peak or crest. So we might be seeing similar price levels early in the day. What it looks like is we probably open lower or we decline in the pre-market notably, and then right around the open there's a notable move to the upside and a rally that increases with momentum moving forward in time. It might not be right at the open. It could be as far out as 10 o'clock. It's a little unclear where it starts, but it's somewhere there in that first half hour rally that increases with momentum and a prominent move higher that takes us to a peak or crest, or high, I should say, for the day, somewhere there between the open and, let's say, 10 o'clock. It's as close as I can get it, really. It's a prominent move higher, creating a peak and then a decline. That decline takes us into a day's low between roughly 11 and 12. When that day's low, that decline into the day's low offers an opportunity to open up a long position to close in the very next hour, like between 12 and 1, in the midst of a notable move to the upside. Yeah, a lot of price movement there. So you should be able to close like for a long scalp there. If I'm wrong about that, then towards later in the day, one could probably close out of it. But in any case, there's a lot of price movement, a lot of price change to the upside between 12 and 1, and then around 1 to 2, closer to 2 than 1, there's a notable decline. It'll stand out on a one-day chart. Trade opportunity at a trough there, and then it's another scalp opportunity where you could open up a long position, and then there's a significant move to the upside. I'd close out of that scalp when we meet a key resistance level that we failed to break through several times before, somewhere in that same hour of 2 to 3 o'clock. And then in the last hour, we have this decline to meet a support level that we recently met once before. Right around the close, after some sideways rotation, there's a significant move higher, and then another peak or crest around the closer in the post-market that we sell off from pretty notably. Hard to determine where we open. It looks like we probably are selling in the morning, and then out of that selling, there's a big move to the upside. When we look at the 1 month, hard to determine that as well. But there is, off of a high midday here on the 1 month, a significant decline. So be mindful of it. It's a significant decline at the end of the day. And that's the S&P 500 for August 29th, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out the video on our YouTube channel. We're asking that you take 5% of the profits, donate it forward, 5% of the profits, donate it backwards. Make sure to spend that money out of love. Blessings to all my angel investors out there. The universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.